Hi everyone, welcome to this Shopify tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to set up Metafields. Everything will be explained in detail. As you can see, I'm currently on the Home section. Now, I'll navigate to the bottom left corner and select Settings. Next, I'll choose Metafields and Meta Objects. Here, you'll see two definition types, Metafields and Meta Objects. First, for Metafields, this is what I'll be focusing on today. Shopify Metafields work similarly to attributes and custom fields on other commerce platforms. Beyond standard fields like name and price, they are used to add extra information, such as material or care instructions. All right, now let's start setting up a Metafield. Then click Add Definition. I'll name this Metafield as Style. Below that, in the Type section, there are many options to choose from. Since I only need a single line of text for this field, I'll select Single Line Text. With the category assignments, this is where you assign the Metafield to a specific set of predefined category Metafields. For this demo, I'll leave it empty so it applies to all products. In the Validation section, I'll set the minimum length to 7 characters and the maximum to 20 characters. Next is Options. There are 3 options here. Option 1 allows you to filter products in the admin. Option 2 allows automatic collection creation when Metafields are used to categorize products. Option 3, Storefront API access, is always enabled so the data can be displayed on the storefront. I won't change anything here, and I'll click Save. Once the Metafield is saved successfully, I'll exit the Settings section and go to Products to enter data for the Style Metafield. I'll open the first product, scroll down a bit to the Product Metafields section, click on Style, and enter the value Streetwear. Then I'll click Save at the top of search bar. Now I'll scroll back to the top and click Preview to open the product page in a new tab and check the result. Wow! As you can see, nothing is showing up, even though the data is clearly filled in. This is completely normal. In Shopify, Metafields are just data. They don't automatically appear on the storefront. To make a Metafield visible and live on the website, you need to go to the online store and select Edit Theme. At this point, notice that we're on the home page, so everything you see here is just the homepage layout. I'll click Home Page, choose Products, and then select Default Product. On the left side, under Template, in the Product Information section, I'll click Add Block. There are 6 default block options available here. You can also add blocks from apps or plugins if you want. I'll select the collapsible row. So as you can see, it's sitting at the top right now. What I'll do next is click and hold it, drag it down, and drop it right before the Share section. Next, I'll click directly on the block. In the Row Content section, I'll click the Connect Dynamic Source icon. By default, Shopify sets this to current block.row content from page, which means it's pulling content from the block or the page itself, not from product data. To fix this, I'll go back 1 level and select Template, Product. Once I do that, Shopify displays all product fields, including the Metafield we created earlier. I'll scroll down, select the Style Metafield, and now this block is connected to the product's Metafield data. From this point on, the Metafield is linked to the product layout and will appear on all product pages using this template. Now I'll go back to the Product tab and reload the page to check if the Metafield is displayed. Yes, it's showing up now. Perfect. I'm going to rename this to Style, so it matches the name of the Metafield. I'll click Save. Reload again. All right, the name is now correct. I'll scroll down a bit to find a suggested product. I'm going to select this pair of gloves. And as you can see, since I haven't filled in any information yet, nothing is showing up for the Style field here. Now I'll go back to the Shopify tab, close out the Theme section, and return to the product section to add details for this pair of gloves. I'll scroll down to the Metafields section here and enter minimalism. I clicked the Save button now. All right, let's preview this product. I reload the page again. Yes, it matches perfectly. No issues, no mismatched data at all. And that's essentially the full Metafields setup. One thing to note is that if a global set of values is needed for all products, the Metafield type can be changed to a choice list instead of manual input. To do that, I will go to Settings and return to the Metafield definition section. I will create and add a new definition one more time and name it as Style 2. This time, under Type, I scroll down a little bit and select the Choice List option. Once that's selected, additional values can be added under Validation. I will set the values are streetwear and basic. After that, I'll click Save once again. Exit the Settings section and navigate back to the product page to double-check. The newly created Metafield now appears here, and when it's selected, the two predefined options are shown like this. As you can see here, I have just filled the basic information for this product. I let two Metafields are displayed, and they are material and care instructions. I hope this video helps you understand how Metafields work in Shopify. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated with more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next Shopify tutorial video. Goodbye!